Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily add music on your Instagram note. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Instagram application on your device and swipe right to go to the chat section. As you can see at the top the current vibe option, simply click on it and choose the option of music. Here you will see a lot of options. Simply choose the one which you like. Select the song and click on its name. Now, drag this box around the song which you like. You can see that the duration is 30 seconds. Once you have chosen the duration, simply you can write something and click on share. And that's it. That is how easily you can share a song on your note on Instagram. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.